Trading crypto made easy? Simple strategies for consistent profits. You won't believe how easy it is to trade crypto for consistent profits. Hey there, my dudes. It's your boy Ryan, and I'm here to spill the beans on how you can start raking in the big bucks with cryptocurrency trading. Now, I know what you're thinking, crypto trading. That's some hardcore stuff, man. Only the big shots can make it work. Well, let me tell you, that's where you're dead wrong. Crypto trading might seem like a complex and intimidating world, but trust me, it's not as tough as you might think. In fact, I'm about to show you some simple strategies that can help you start seeing consistent profits even if you're a complete newbie. So, buckle up, grab a cold one, and get ready to dive into the world of crypto trading like a boss. Now, let's get down to business. One of the biggest myths about crypto trading is that you need to be a financial wizard or have a ton of experience to make it work. But the truth is, with the right approach, anyone can do it. And I'm not just talking about making a quick buck here and there. I'm talking about building a reliable, long-term income stream. The key is to focus on mastering a few simple strategies that can give you a consistent edge in the market. One of my personal favorites is the good old buy low, sell high approach. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ryan. That's the most obvious strategy in the book. But hear me out, my dudes. The trick is to develop a keen eye for spotting the right entry and exit points. This takes some practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to consistently identify the best times to buy and sell your crypto assets. And let me tell you, the profits can start adding up real quick. Another strategy that's been working wonders for me is called dollar cost averaging. The basic idea is to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current price of the asset. This helps you smooth out the ups and downs of the market and avoid the temptation to try to time the market perfectly. And you know what the best part is? You don't even need a ton of capital to get started. Heck, you can start with as little as $100 and slowly build your way up. And let me tell you, once you start seeing those profits rolling in, it's gonna be hard to stop. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, this all sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Well, my friend, I've got you covered. The first step is to sign up with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, and let me tell you, BingX is one of the best out there. When you sign up with BingX, make sure to use the referral code 911 to get some extra perks and benefits. And let me tell you, they've got an amazing platform with all the tools and features you'll need to start trading like a pro. But that's not all, my dudes. I've also put together a killer video that's packed with even more tips and tricks to help you start crushing it in the crypto markets. And let me tell you, you do not want to miss this. So, make sure to stick around until the end because I'm gonna share some juicy details that'll blow your mind. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Let's get this party started. Remember, the key to success in the crypto markets is to keep it simple and focus on building a consistent, long-term strategy. And with the right tools and a little bit of elbow grease, you'll be raking in the profits in no time. Oh, and don't forget to use that referral code 911 when you sign up with BingX. Trust me, it's gonna make a big difference in your trading journey. Alright, let's do this. I'll see you in the video, my dudes.